Sir, all lights are out. Steering not responding.
Understood. This is a blackout. Lookout. Report traffic. Sir, no traffic within 3 miles. And the sea is calm. I can see faint navigation lights on the port side. 4 miles away, moving slowly. Okay, copy. Lookout. And in room, bridge here, we have a blackout. Confirm generator status.
Bridge, confirm blackout. Main generator trip. Start emergency generator. Check switchboard and report when power is restored. Copy mode.
Captain, bridge here. Total blackout. Please proceed to the bridge.
On my way.
The cadet, please proceed to the bridge.
Copy, sir.
Sir, cadet, monitor navigation lights and record blackout times.
Aye, sir.
Chief Engineer, emergency generator running. Power is back.
Copy, Second Engineer. Bridge. Emergency power restored. Main generator offline.
Steering is back.
Maintain course and speed. Log the incident.
Good work. Resume normal navigation.